just going over instructions with both men.
I find myself in these content creator bouts looking at the corners, see who they're being coached by, who's in the corner with them.
Yes.
Here we go.
You can tell a lot by that, all right. Now, Alex needs to keep them hands up.
Pace of these bouts. All of them started mad high tonight. Here
It'll
we
be
go.
almost wild and crazy, you know what I mean? I tell you what, both lads have come out of the traps. Alex and Niall both going for it here.
Big shots getting landed here now on Niall. And a clinch. I feel like somebody should be telling them that there's 2 more rounds after these boys.
Yep, Alex has been swinging there for the rafters. Niall now going forward, trying to push the pace. Oh, both lads are swinging.
Bit of rock'em sock'em robots going on there.
More of that, please.
I feel like whoever settles first here may have the upper hand.
Yep, and it could exactly work out like that, as you said. It'd be a very hard pace to keep up anyway. There we go.
Do we have an injury here?
Yeah, he's getting a count. Something happened with the arm.
Shoulder
Fight's
gone.
off.
The fight's over.
The fight is off.
It's a pity to end the fight that way now.
Alex can no longer continue. Niall Keogh will get the win here, even if it's an injury, if I'm right.
Even Niall feels like he's a mob bit disappointed there with that decision, but obviously injuries can't be avoided.
Yeah, fighter safety is number 1. And credit the referee, Larborn. He copped it again straight away.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Your referee